There are various graphical user interfaces, and these includes the text editors present in the R package up to the graphical point and the click interfaces. So here we will only discuss one of the graphical user interfaces, and that is called as the TINN, and it is the abbreviation of the T for this, I for in, N for not, and N for notepad. This is not notepad. So this is the abbreviation used for the TIN, and R is for R package. So TIN-R is a text editor, and it is linked directly to the R package. So if we want to download the TIN-R editor, we have to go to the website, that is www.swiviews.org/TINR/index.html. From this website we can download this editor, and this editor takes into account a SDI. SDI means single document interface. So it means that at one time it can handle only one file. So there are some other editors that can handle a multiple document files, and they are called the multiple document interfaces. So TIN is a single document interface. So if we right click after downloading, if we right click the icon of the TIN-R, then there will one window will appear, and in that window we have to click the properties, and in the properties we have to add the SDI at the end of the path. So if we add the SDI, then it will read, because in the properties we know that where the file is present. So after locating the location of the file, we just add the SDI at the end of the path of the file, and if we write the SDI, then it will be very useful for the TIN-R to work in the R. So it will become easier for the TIN-R to processes in the R language. So after locating and adding the SDI, then the second is that TIN-R must know where the R package is located in the computer. So for this purpose, we have to give the path of the R program to the TIN-R, and then we have to use the certain properties, just like we have to use the options, and in the option we have to go to the opening bottom. In the option we have to go to the properties, and we have to show the TIN-R where the R package is located on the computer. And if in the option the interface will appear, and in that interface at the bottom we have to write the path of the R package that is present on the computer, and that is called the RGUI. GUI means the graphic user interface. So this is the interface of the GUI, and in the option, if we go to the option, then this window will appear, and at the bottom we have to write the path of the R program. If we are not sure how to find the correct path, then we have to open some file browsers in the Windows, and the browse to the R installation directory. From directory we will find the path. Then we can copy and paste the path from the browser to the TIN-R setting. We can check that we have specified the correct path by testing the connection between the TIN-R and the R. And for this purpose, we can select the initiate close GUI and then initiate preferred GUI options in the R. So TIN-R can also color the writing codes, because if we write the codes, they will be colored. The color scheme can be changed to the R from menu options, from this menu option. Here we can see there is a color yellow and we can change it to other colors also. So our code can be written directly to the tin editor. Written code can be run in R directly from tin.R. The part of the code to be run should first be colored. So if we color, then it will be run. The code can then be run by R by selecting Send to R selection from the R menu.